In problem 66, it gives you kind of the matting on a picture. It says that the picture itself is 25 by 21. And then it says that the mat is twice as wide as it is, or on the sides as it is on the top and bottom. So this value right here is x on the top and the bottom. And on the sides, it's twice that measure, 2x. Okay, and so the problem here is telling you that the area of the mat, so just this area, this shaded region between the two rectangles, okay, is given as 714 square inches. And you want to find how wide is the mat at the left and right and at the top and the bottom. So we want to find basically what this distance and what this distance is. Okay, so if we know that the total area is 714, well, that total area represents the outer rectangle, which would be like the entire mat board, minus what's cut out. What's cut out is the area of that picture itself. Okay, so the picture itself we know is 25 by 21, and we can look at the dimensions of this outer figure 2. You have 25 plus a 2x here and a 2x here, so you basically have a total of 4x plus 25. Those are the dimensions along the width. And the height is 21 plus an x and an x, so that's 2x plus 21 is the dimension of the height on that mat. And so if you look at this figure here, we just subtract the areas. Here the area of this whole rectangle is base times height, so we'll take 4x plus 25 times 2x plus 21. And we're going to subtract the area of the picture, the part that's removed on the inside of that doesn't require any of the area. So that's a 25 by 21. And so this is our equation. If we just use the solve feature and solve for x, we'll get our answer here. Okay. So if I plug that into the calculator, F2 algebra tab, write my equation, 714 is equal to 4x plus 25 times 2x plus 21. But the adjustment to that is we're subtracting the area of the picture, 25 times 21. And we want to solve for x. So when we do that and hit enter, we get our solution. It tells us that x is 17/4 or negative 21. Can you have a negative distance? No, so that's extraneous. So your answer is 17/4. If you put 17/4 in decimal form, you get 4.25. So that means that the width right here is 4.25. So the width at the top and the bottom here have a dimension of 4.25 inches. And then the dimensions across the sides here is going to be twice that. So if we just double this measure, you get 8.5 for that measure.